Hamilton County is being held up as an example for its response to sexual assault cases. It's one of only 15 in the state to implement a sexual assault response team, which was mandated last year. Catherine Vaughn has the story.
In 2023, Tennessee legislature passed a law requiring each county in the state to have a sexual assault response team. And it's been over a year, but only 15 of those 95 counties have one set in place. Today, we found out why. Hamilton County is one of the 15 to have a sexual assault response team, commonly called SART.
It's a coordinated community response that brings in law enforcement, sexual assault nurse examiners, sexual assault advocates, the Children's Advocacy Center, and the district attorney's office, and other organizations that are pertinent to specific cases.
They provide resources and a safe space for sexual assault victims to heal. And while every victim has different needs, SART advocates are there to walk with them.
They understand the trauma that victims experience, and so they don't leave them sitting out in an emergency room waiting to be seen, scared and afraid. And so I think that's why it's so important to have our Rape Crisis Center here, because we didn't have anything and cases didn't move forward.
And in Hamilton County, the team cared for 277 clients in the Rape Crisis Center and performed medical exams for more than 100 who took their cases to court. Data collected from the response team can discover common trends of sexual assault and even solve a case. A few years back, Hamilton County's sexual assault response team identified a serial rapist targeting older and elderly women.
Saines went to court and testified to all of the evidence that they had collected and what they had seen, and he was put away.
With the impact SART is having on the community, you may wonder why so few counties have a team.
Sexual assault response teams can be very difficult to start. You have to have law enforcement and the district attorney's office all working together and willing to take the time to do this, keeping what the survivor's needs are in mind.
Also, in some areas, rape crisis centers are connected to other programs, and some centers will serve multiple counties. For example, the center in Chattanooga serves both Hamilton and Marion counties. Tennessee is still in the early stages of implementing response teams across the state. And if you or someone you know is a victim of sexual assault, you can call the number on this screen. We'll put the number on our website. I'm Catherine Vaughn, Local 3 News.